Here I have HONOR X7A, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Contacts application, which you have pre-installed on your device. Tap on three buttons here, three dots. Go to its settings, then go to the import export. Select import from SIM. Then select which contacts you want to import. You can select them one by one or to just select all. And tap import. Then select where to, in our case on our device. And after that, these contacts will appear on our device contacts list. So for example, as you can see, one I have on my SIM card and other one just on my device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.